Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. It is a Sunday and I'm out here and I thought to myself, why not just do a harvest video? It is beautiful and I have some amazing sprouting broccoli, the purple variety, which I love. I am actually liking purple more and more every year. I'm trying to do more and more colors in my garden and just come and harvest with me. First time I'm actually going to be harvesting on this channel broccoli. I've never grown them. I love them. I've never grown them and I thought, why not do a video while I'm out here? So this is the purple sprouting variety. I'm just going to try to get, all the leaves are edible. So I'm going to take that and actually cook it up today and eat it. So I'm going to remove a few of them out there. Not taking them all off, but let me just go straight in and get in that head. Look at this. I got my little knife. It's a beautiful knife. It's not a pointy thing. This is a carving knife. I'm just going to go straight in there and just snip it in between and just get that beautiful, lovely purple sprouting broccoli. So while I've done that, now you can see there's going to be more popping up, so it's not going to be focused on this one in the middle. It's going to actually focus now on those, and I'm tempted to take one more. I might actually take a few. Let me see, what else can I take? Let me take one at the bottom here. Look at that. I'm going to have this just like that. It's beautiful and amazing. First time for everything. I've never had any success with them. I tried to grow some a few years back, but it didn't turn out. But look how beautiful and strong this tree, this plant is looking for me. And I'm gonna, let me take this one here, add it to the things, and going forward over to the left a little bit, there are some Romanesco cauliflower just right there. I'm gonna take them as well with me, because why not? Let's have a green dish today. I'm gonna pop it out. Get that, look at that. It's small but mighty, and I've never harvested them. I actually let one go to waste, guys. Let me just turn it there. There's one right there. This one here, it's gone to waste. That is okay, it happens. But this one here, I'm not allowing it to go to waste. So I've taken that one, so hopefully it can focus and maybe even give me another one. Let me just take this other young one here as well. Look, these are all brassicas. It's beautiful. This is not the best looking variety type, but when I'm experimenting, I will get this correct. They are beautiful. The Romanescos are nice. I like them. They are cauliflower, but come on, the purple, man, come on. Let me take this one as well. There's another one here. Look, it's small but mighty. Let's get this. So I'm gonna leave it there right now, and then, as you can see, they're starting to have other ones literally there. They're literally gonna start sprouting up, so they can focus on the energy and give me more. Same goes. I'm hoping the Romanesco can give me another one. That would be beautiful, but I've got one, so let's take it home and cook it up. Cabbage is it is a brassica. It could have actually been the Georgia collard greens I got from Broke Farmer, because it's not actually putting on head. So this actually might be the collard greens, and I'm looking at it and it survived the cold, so I'm gonna add it to my dish. Why not? I really thought it was going to be something else. You know, the thing about gardening, guys, whenever you're growing, right, you are surprised that sometimes you plant something, you forgot what the hell it is, and you come back and it's not exactly what you thought. But that's fine. I'm taking as much as I can. There's a few bad ones down the bottom here. Let me remove this, because these are all brassicas. It doesn't matter. These are all healthy greens. No chemical was used in this, so they're going to add to my dinner this coming tonight. Let me just remove some of those bad leaves, drop them to the soil, and let nature take its place. There's another one I have over here. Let me take you guys over with me. Just there. I'm just gonna harvest the cleanest ones that I can. Anything that looks a bit, look at that, come on. That's beautiful. And with the cold and the temperature, well, that's one thing I love about brassicas. With the cold being here right now, it's going to have a sweeter taste. It's going to have a beautiful sweet taste. It's not going to have that bitterness compared to when you actually have them in the summer. So why not get them now before the summer comes and I will lose all of this to the slugs, because I do have a slug problem, which I'm working on a method to get rid of them. And look at that. Talk about slugs and snails. Look at that. He's having a feast right there. Just let him have it. But these guys have survived the winter, because we are getting a bit more warmer, but I just don't trust the weather with this. So I'm trying to get these at home so I can consume them. let's go on to the next thing I'm going to add to my lovely meal for this evening. So this is a bunching sprouted onion, a Lisbon bunching sprouted onion. So I'm going to grab a few of these so I can chop them up and add them to my beautiful dish for tonight. I might have to go in there a little bit. That's one thing I love about them. They don't. Look at that. They don't give up. It's beautiful. Come on, guys. Coming out here in the garden after a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. Coming out in the garden on a Sunday, grab a few vegetables that you need and go home and cook you up a lovely meal. I might want to grab a couple more actually. Yes. And even though I've removed some of these, it's still gonna grow back. Onions are forever. So I'm gonna leave like that. Looking down here, guys. Let's get you down here so you can see. Leave it like that, and it's gonna sprout up some more. And while I'm here, let me just remove this wild bush from around my plant. My beautiful, beautiful onion, so it can focus on its growth. And there's another there's another one I want to do. I actually might want to do a couple more. Let's grab some kale, guys. While I'm here, let's grab some kale. Add it to this. This is going to be amazing. I don't remember the name of these kale, but they're going to go beautiful with the dish that I'm going to prepare. Obviously, I'm going to be washing them off. And let's take the best looking one. I don't know. This could be the Russian kale, because I did plant a different kale than normal. That's a bit eaten up. Let's get rid of that. Let's try to find the best ones in here. And kale is so cold hardy. This is a different variety. Let's get you guys here. As you can see, this is the curly. This is a curly kale. I have a few of these. I did plant quite a few kale, but it didn't produce much. You know, it was struggling to grow, but now it's looking like, because they don't die, they do come back and give you life in after the colder times. I think I might actually do next year, add a lot more kale around the garden so you can eat throughout the whole year off what you have planted. And I do have a purple, now in the purple, guys, purple kale, curly kale. Let's get some of that. Full harvest. You've got 3 different types of kale in here. You've got your beautiful purples, greens, and they're going to be a lot sweeter than your normal one that you get in the later time of the year. I've got my beautiful, beautiful Lisbon bunching onions. Look how lovely they are. I'm going to take them home and wash them off. My collards, I'm going to mix everything. Everything is going in one batch, beautifully done in the kitchen. Give it some flavors. Not going to overdo them. I want that crunchiness in the thing. A couple bits of Romanesco. They're beautiful, and obviously the king of it all. I love broccoli, purple sprouting broccoli, and I'm going to be growing a lot more. So this is a quick harvest on a Sunday with your boy Mr. Green Hands. It's been a blessing. Go out there, grow some, and eat some.